Welcome to a short Algebra 1 video. We're going to use the given table to write an exponential function. It's like building a house. Before the house comes into being, you already have the blueprint, the structure, how you want to build it. So your house looks like this. Y equals A times B to the x power. This is your structure. Remember, x is input and y is output. All we need to figure out is what is A and what is B. To find A is really simple. Did you see these 2 points, 0 and 10? When you have 0 and 10, this 10 is your initial value, A. Remember in the previous video, we also talk about when you see this 0, 10, this 10 also tells you the y-intercept. Now, 0, a number. This number always tell you what A is. All right, now we have A, we can substitute 10 for A. Let's write down 10. Now, all we need to do is to figure out what is B. We come here, look at this point. This point says 1, 4. 1 is x, 4 is y. Therefore, we come back. We're going to substitute 1 for x. We're going to substitute 4 for y. Okay? All right. Remember, b to the first power is still b. So it gives us 10 times b equals 4. How do we find b? We're going to divide it by 10, divided by 10 each side. Therefore, b is 4 over 10. But it's not simplified enough because 4 is 2 times 2, 10 is 2 times 5. We're going to simplify. We got a b is 2/5. Now, back to building the house. Remember the house you want to build look like this. And now we finally can finish our construction work. A is 10. B, we just find out, is 2/5. What a beautiful exponential function you just finished writing. Y is 10 times 2/5 to the x power. Great job. And do not leave because I'm going to give you another practice. See if you can finish that all by yourself. Okay? Exactly the same drill. We're going to get a little table. And this time I'm going to call my input is x, my output, the function name going to be called, earlier we use g of x. Let's give it a different name. We call it h of x. I'm going to give you 2 values here, 0 and 7. Another one is 1, 9. Pause this video, see if you can solve this all by yourself. If you needed to, you can rewind the video, watch the previous steps. All right, welcome back. Let's discuss this one. You want to build a function that looks like this. You figure out A immediately because you say 0 and 7. 0 and number, this number gives us initial value. Therefore, we immediately plug in, this is 7. Now we come back here to look at 1, 9. 1, 9 gives us x is 1, y is 9. Therefore, we come here, we erase this, we put 1 here, we put 9 here. Okay? B to the first power is still b, so 7 times b equals 9, divided by 7 each side, and b is 9 over 7. We got A, we got B. We can start to write y is, except I don't want to write y, I need to write h of x is 7 times, and b is 9 over 7 to the x power. Did I forget to write earlier the first one? Did I forget to write a g of x? Okay, so if you finish writing, make sure do not write this part as y. Write this part as your function name. So we write h of x, which means the previous practice. When we finish, you write g of x. All right, that's it. Happy learning.